Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can get free Upwork promo code for Connects in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in a platform which called orthpenny.com. So here we are going to search for Upwork Orthpenny coupon code. Just note this text properly so you will find out the things when you will search it. So here you will get couple of links. Here you can see upwork.orthpenny.com. So we already landed in here. So here you can see today's best offer is today is July 25 and here you can see this is the 5. So here enjoy 40 Upwork connects for free. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get this coupon enjoy 40 connects. Like copy this one, and you just need to be install Orthpenny to earn 3 bonus, or you can do this thing. I copy this one and then I will paste it here on our Upwork. So in this way you can enjoy your 40 Upwork connects for free. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.